Alright, so I'm out here at the range, and what I'm actually testing today is how many rounds can you fire through the AR before you start losing your accuracy. Now, granted, a lot of people will say, hey, you got an M4, you know, they shoot a 2-inch group at 100 yards, they're happy. Okay, well, I'm going to use the AR this year to go out and actually hunt a deer. So I built it for hunting, and I wanted really good accuracy. I got a stainless steel barrel, 107 twist. I've played with different ammos. I've got it down to, you know, 3/4 inch, 1 inch groups. So I'm really happy with that. But, you know, today we went out and, you know, we put 200-300 rounds to it, and now I'm back here at the 100-yard range, and I'm going to see if it is compromised from a 3/4 inch group. You know, how bad did it get? You know, does it stay the same? Is it good? We'll see how it works. Alright, that was the 55 grain Barnes. .55 grain Everglades. 18.4 grains of IMR. Winchester small rifle primer. It's just your standard 20-round mag. It's been drilled and pinned to limit to only 10 rounds here for the range. Got some 50 grain mags. Alright, so this is a 62 grain Varmagedon loaded in Lake City cases with Winchester primer with IMR 4198. It's either this bullet or the 60 grain Sierra Farmaters. I haven't decided which one I'm going to use. I want to use in the 60 grain region just for weight retention, so I'll have that impact power because it is a 223. But we've taken plenty of deer with 55 grain soft points. I just really don't want to use the soft points. They, as they go up the feed ramp, they get deformed and they're just not as accurate. So I'll stick to the hollow points. Sierra varmagedons. IMR 4198, 19.8 grams. Winchester primer and Lake City pieces. Well, that would be the JP trigger spring set that I put in. It allows it to go down to 3 pounds. Unfortunately, it makes it extremely light. Alright, there, and there. Okay. That's a 1/2 inch dot. It's a 3/4 inch dot. So we're still sticking around an inch group even after a few hundred rounds are fired through it today. I mean, the gun's just filthy. It just makes you black if you mess with it. It's been fired. So far, we haven't really had any super diminishing accuracy. Those 3 right here were fired. Those are the 55 grain Everglades. You know, you're still looking under 2 inches. You know, wasn't really trying. Shot a group here. Moved the sticker up. Shot another group. One here, one here, one here again. Moved the sticker again, and I went a little wide. But down here, I'm kind of disappointed. In the bolt action, this Varmageddon, not the Varmageddon, but the Sierra varmagedons shoot really well. This might have been me. I'll reshoot this with 3 more, and I'll see. One shot here, that was the first one I seen it hit, and then the second shot, I hit low, and with that touchy trigger, I had a bump fire and hit that one there. I may modify that trigger one more time and put the factory hammer spring back in it, but keep the trigger spring from the yellow kit from JP Enterprises, which is what I have it now. And try to stiffen up just a little bit more because it bump fires really easy. Then again, you know, deer sized target, if I did accidentally bump fire it, you know, 2 rounds in it real quick wouldn't hurt much, I guess. But 1 shot, 1 kill, that's what I'm looking for. So we'll see how it goes. To it.
Oh!
See what I mean? Yeah. It's a good and a bad thing. I double tapped a rabbit when it was on the run, but at the same time I won a 1 shot, 1 kill. But
the hell of it is, it's technically bump firing because it's so simple.
They're shutting the range down, so we're trying to shoot real quick. This is the group I did earlier. 1, 2, 3. I moved 1 inch over and 1 inch up. And I went here, 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 but I was kind of rushing those shots, so we'll see how it goes. I'll bring it out one more time, but I think those 62s is what I'm going to end up using. I just didn't get the grouping I wanted out of those 60s. Now the 1-9 twist, you know, Savage Axis, those things shot amazing, so I'll just probably keep them for that. And 1-7 twist, I'll just use the 62s for deer, so we'll see how it goes.